Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing very well. So let's start with today's episodes. Today we'll talk about the interview crack series. This whole series will include all the methods and terminologies जिस तरीके से आप इंटरव्यू प्रॉपरली 110% क्रैक कर सकते हैं एंड दिस आई हैव गेन्ड ऑल थ्रू माई एक्सपीरियंस। मैंने वो सारे पॉइंटर्स जॉट डाउन करके यहाँ पे गैदर किया है सो दैट इट कुड हेल्प यू। एंड टुडे विल टॉक अबाउट जस्ट डेडिकेटली फॉर फ्रेशर्स। So, ever faced an interview where your mind went blank? Of course, because आप fresher हो, आप experience नहीं किया है interview session, so sometimes it happens that you get all blackout and you'll be clueless what to answer. But don't worry, you're not alone. Today we are starting the interview crack series, and this is, as just I told, only dedicated to freshers, and the next one I'll be explaining about the experienced ones. So we'll go through the top mock interview questions that must be prepared and how to answer them confidently even if you don't have experience. So let's start. And in this video, learn how to prepare for the first most common mock interview. अगर आप freshers हो, just don't worry about what to gather every information and work upon each and every bit. Just start step by step. Okay? So let's start. And yes, there is a tip for the freshers. Don't you get overconfident that I'm the most qualified person in the whole room. I got 99 percentile, this and that. It does not happen this way. जो भी आपका करियर का प्लान है, that does not depends upon your numbers only and but also upon your personality and how you're delivering your speech, how you're giving the interviews. So yeah. So let's quickly talk about the first pointer, whether there is a common generic questions जो हर fresher से पूछा जाता है. Tell me about yourself. Why did you chose this field? Then how are you going to answer this? So these are the 5 key areas for the most interview focus on when hiring freshers. Your background, technical exposure कितना है, आपका बिहेवियर कैसा है, लर्निंग एटीट्यूड क्या है, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग अप्रोच क्या है. सो डोंट मेमोराइज. एक्चुअली जो भी आपके क्वेश्चन है, एवरी क्वेश्चन हैज़ डिफरेंट डिफरेंट आंसर्स, राइट? सो आपको रटना नहीं है उसे. यू जस्ट हैव टू make it in a very strategic manner, in a very structured manner with examples. So I'll tell you how. And there are tools and skills, which software tools you have practiced. Behaviors related questions होते हैं. Describe a challenge you have faced in your college or internship. Certifications and learning, आपने क्या की है, what online certifications and how you have implemented those certifications in your projects or any learning phase. तो I'm giving you a tip. अगर आपने कोई भी सर्टिफिकेशन किया है, जैसे अगर आपने पावर BI का सर्टिफिकेशन किया है, create a small demo model or create a small applications out of it to showcase that you have actually practiced. क्योंकि यहाँ आपका रटना and if you have just memorize all the sentences and then you have thrown that out, then it won't be able to help you. आपकी practical knowledge ही हमेशा जज की जाती है. देन प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग माइंडसेट कैसा है, इफ़ यू आर स्टक ऑन अ टास्क, हाउ डू यू गोइंग टू अप्रोच इट. So at the end of the session I will attach all the mock interview questions in Excel, जो कि मैंने पहले अभी अपने सेशंस में आपको प्रोवाइड किए हैं. If you are new to this channel, I will request you to go check out all the videos. Reason being, हर एक वीडियो की एपिसोड सीरीज कनेक्टेड है. Previously, I have done the videos on how to curate your CV, cover letter, how to get approach proper calls through LinkedIn. Now this one is dedicatedly only for interview sessions. So yeah, go check them out. Now, what are the do's and don'ts that you need to consider? Firstly, अगर आप किसी भी इंटरव्यू को देने जा रहे हैं, you need to search about the company. Research the company and job role before any mock interview. If you are interviewing for example for Airtel, कंपनी का बैकग्राउंड जानिए, उसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन लीजिए, उस पर्टिकुलर जॉब रोल की क्या डिमांड है उसके बारे में आप इंफॉर्मेशन लो, एंड उससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस, हाउ टू गेट दोज क्वेश्चंस आउट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर जॉब रोल, जो कि मैंने पहले भी एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है इन माई प्रीवियस वीडियोज़. यू कैन पुट दैट एंड गेट दोज क्वेरीज आउट, एंड उसके अगेंस्ट में यू हैव टू फिल द आंसर्स एंड प्रैक्टिस देम. Dress very professionally while you are going for an interview. Don't wear some lazy shirts and casual tops. It does not help giving the first impression. And also, once you carry yourself in a way, very professional way, it builds the confidence and shows how serious you are for the job role. Third point is keep your self introduction very short. 60 सेकेंड से ज़्यादा मत लो. आपको पूरी गाथा नहीं सुनानी है वहाँ पे कि मैं यहाँ से आया हूँ, ये कर रहा हूँ, ये चाहता हूँ. नो, they don't want to know that. Just keep it very comprised and very precise. Sorry, yeah. And then use the STAR method: situation, task, action and result. In each and every case, अगर आपको बोला जाए कि okay, this situation has been given to you, now you tell me, have you ever seen this situation before, and if you have, तो आपने उसे कैसे टैकल किया है. तो आप सिचुएशन को एनालाइज करो, टेक अ मिनट और टू, एंड देन उससे रिलेटेड कोई टास्क आपने पहले किया होगा, उसे आप बता सकते हो, आपने क्या एक्शन लिया एंड क्या रिजल्ट मिला है through that. So this what we called as a STAR method. Try to implement this in each and every situation whenever you are giving an interview. This is both for the freshers and experienced people. Now, ask smart questions about company and role. Once you are done with the interview, they will ask you, do you have any questions, right? ये जनरली आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं. डोंट से नो, आई डोंट हैव, लाइक हो गया मेरा अब मैं जा रहा हूँ. नो, डोंट डू दैट. Ask smart questions about the company and role or the projects that you will be working on. Record your mock interview questions. Analyze your tone and body. जब आप प्रैक्टिस करते हो मॉक इंटरव्यूज़, पहला तो आपको कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड होता है. दूसरा, जब आप उसे रिकॉर्ड करके खुद सुनते हो तो आपको पता चलता है, ओके, हियर आई एम लैगिंग, हियर माई टोन इज़ नॉट गुड. यू डोंट नीड टू बी वेरी लाउड. आपको चिल्ला के नहीं आंसर देना है. सो दीज पॉइंटर्स यू विल एनालाइज. नाउ, what are the don'ts? Don't memorize answer. This is what I've told you before also. Don't interrupt the interviewer or speak over them. अगर वो पूछ रहे हैं, let them complete and then you answer the questions. Avoid negative marks about the past employees. अगर आपने पहले भी कहीं काम कर चुका है, even if your experience was not good, don't tell any negative remarks about them, because इससे आपका इम्प्रेशन अच्छा नहीं बढ़ता. देन डोंट पैनिक इफ़ यू डोंट नो समथिंग. अगर आपको कोई क्वेश्चन है, वो आप समझ लिया, लेकिन यू नो दैट यू डोंट नो द आंसर एंड आपको क्लैरिटी नहीं है कि मैं इसका क्या आंसर दूँ, तो आप रैंडमली, आपको शीट नहीं भरनी है टू गेन अ मार्क्स. You just tell them upfrontly that I haven't heard about it, but of course I will learn about it and I'll see, I'll deep dive on this topic. You have to tell this. Don't tell, oh नहीं मुझे नहीं आता. Don't tell this. Then don't forget to thank the interviewer and maintain eye contact. Of course, create a confident body language, create a very good body posture. आपको अपने shoulders bend नहीं करके रखने हैं. So I'll create another episode on this part, how you should carry yourself, how you should attire yourself while taking yourself to the interview. But in general you have to look very confident. ठीक है, किसी को भी 110% नहीं आता है, तो this works. Fake it until you make it. Then the last one, don't rely on theory, show examples. As I've told you कि आपको वहाँ पे चतुर नहीं बनना है कि आपने रट के सुना दिया. This is not your final exams. This is the practical world where you are going to enter. So they will judge your attitude, not your marks much. Okay, moving to the next. Practice your interviews daily. अगर आपके इंटरव्यूज नहीं भी हो रहे हैं, you do the daily practice. उसी को कहते हैं mock interviews. Record your answers, solve common questions. जो भी आपको समझ में आता है वो आप रिकॉर्ड करो. And always remember the interview day, when you will get the call, you should be 110% prepared that you are going to win the war. Now there is another pointer, follow up and LinkedIn outreach. I've also created a video on this on a very brief 2-3 episodes. इससे आपको सबसे ज़्यादा बेनिफिट ये होता है that you will get the most authentic calls from LinkedIn. आलतू फालतू के कॉल्स नहीं आते आपको. So yeah, do that. And of course, in each and every session I've told you, you have to do a prayer, write down what you want, manifest what you want, create visuals how you want to work, where you want to work, what should be the environment, कैसे आपकी सराउंडिंग होनी चाहिए. Do that, manifest your new high paying jobs. And call to action is always keep a persistence. Don't feel this कि अरे मुझे कॉल ही नहीं आता है, अरे मेरा इंटरव्यू क्रैक ही नहीं होता. Don't do that. Stay positive and persistent, and then it will help. So as I've already told, random job search you will get into a dead end, but if you have a strategic job search, then you'll accomplish the mission. So thank you everyone, I hope this helps. Take care, bye bye.